Here are 10 of the fastest sports cars available as of my knowledge cutoff. Bugatti Chiron Supersport 300 Plus. The Bugatti Chiron Supersport 300 Plus holds the title of the fastest production car in the world. It achieved a top speed of 304.773 miles per hour, 490.498 kilometers per hour. Hennessy Venom F5. The Hennessy Venom F5 is expected to challenge the Chiron Supersport 300 Plus S speed record. With an estimated top speed of over 300 miles per hour, 483 km per hour, it aims to become one of the fastest cars on the planet. Koenigsegg Jesko Absolute. The Koenigsegg Jesko Absolute is designed with high-speed performance in mind. It is estimated to have a top speed of around 330 miles per hour, 531 km per hour, although this figure has not been officially confirmed. Bugatti Veyron Supersport. The Bugatti Veyron Supersport was the predecessor to the Chiron and held the title of the world's fastest production car. It had a top speed of 267.857 miles per hour, 431.072 kilometers per hour. Rimac C_2. The Rimac C_2 is an all-electric hypercar with impressive performance capabilities. It boasts a top speed of 258 miles per hour, 415 km per hour, and can accelerate from 0 to 60 miles per hour in under 1.85 seconds. Lamborghini Aventador SVJ. The Lamborghini Aventador SVJ is a powerful and aerodynamic supercar. It can reach a top speed of 217 miles per hour, 349 km per hour, and is known for its aggressive styling and exceptional performance. McLaren Speedtail. The McLaren Speedtail is a hybrid hypercar designed for ultimate speed. It has a top speed of 250 miles per hour, 402 km per hour, and features a sleek, aerodynamic design with a central driving position. Ferrari SF90 Stradale. The Ferrari SF90 Stradale is a plug-in hybrid supercar that combines a powerful V8 engine with electric motors. It has a top speed of 211 miles per hour, 340 km per hour, and can accelerate from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 2.5 seconds. Aston Martin Valkyrie. The Aston Martin Valkyrie is a collaboration between Aston Martin and Red Bull Racing. With a top speed expected to exceed 200 miles per hour, 322 km per hour, this hypercar is known for its Formula One-inspired design and high-performance capabilities. Porsche 911 GT2 Rupees. The Porsche 911 GT2 Rupees is a track-focused sports car with impressive speed and agility. It can reach a top speed of 211 miles per hour, 340 km per hour, and is known for its rear-wheel drive and powerful turbocharged engine,